Have you ever been lost in the maze of studying abroad? I mean the confusion, the chaos, the doubts. Where to even begin? It can all be a little overwhelming, but don't worry. I've got something that'll help. Hi, I'm Yadu, the founder of Divine EAC. I've been dedicated to helping students like you make their dream of studying abroad a reality. So let me give you a glimpse of what you're getting yourself into when you enroll for this program which I've created called Confusion to Clarity. And trust me, this program can put you on the right track. So basically, I'm someone who believes that the why matters more than the what. When you understand why you're doing something, it becomes your driving force. And finding that compelling reason, especially for studying abroad, must be the first step. And being able to answer the simple question, why, can do wonders for you. We have discovered a way to help you find your reason, and that's how we're going to kickstart this program. So once your why is clear, next step is what? Get ready to explore a world of opportunities. Because literally there are countless academic possibilities, majors and courses to choose from. You may not even know where to begin. That's where I come in. I will help you explore this vast world of options, guiding you to find the best fit for your goals. But hey, you know what? All that is fine. But without knowing the perfect timing, all your dreams could easily be delayed or even which is why understanding when to start prep could be an absolute game changer for you. What's the ideal time frame to follow? When should you begin? When should you start applying? These are few of the essential questions that I'll be covering in this program. And I'll also provide step-by-step guidance from finding the right destination, university, course, to preparing your application, securing your funding, and even accommodation. I'll cover everything because no detail is too small and no question goes unanswered. And most importantly, this program is not for everyone. This is for you if and only if you're really deterministic about transforming your life. So if you're a student who's in search of clarity, or if you're a parent who's looking to change the life of your child, or if you're a working professional who's looking to supercharge your career and give it a boost, this is for you and you're invited. Confusion to Clarity. Like the name suggests, this will give you a clear roadmap to your dream career and will help you build that confidence to take the next step towards your goal. So don't miss out on this journey from confusion to clarity. Join me and open the door to your dream career through education abroad. And trust me, your future self will thank you. Register now and let's make your journey divine. I'll see you there.